Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video, and I think I'm gonna make a playlist talking about a linked list. Linked list, I really like to call it, it's a data structure that knows something. Linked list always has some kind of information. It points at other data structures and it works with nodes. So linked list has two types. Single linked list, which goes forward only, which has a pointers pointing at the forward direction. And we have also another type of linked list, which is a double linked list, which goes forward and backward. It has a next node and backward node. So you can go forward and go backward as well. So we can have some visualization of how single list look like as this visualization. We have this person, Steven, is pointing at Ronaldo, and Ronaldo is pointing at Pep, and Pep is pointing at Messi, and Messi is pointing at nothing, it's pointing at empty. This is how can linked list be seen as, but we look at it as nodes. Steven is considered as a node, and Ronaldo is considered a node, and Pep is considered a node, and each node is pointing forward. So this node points to the next node, and this node points to the next node, and this node points to this node. And no node can go backward because it's single linked list. So how can double linked list look like? Double linked list looks like this. We can go forward and we can go backward. The first node at the beginning, it has no previous element, and you can go forward to the next element, and this node can go backward to the previous node and can go next to the next element, and the next element, which is also can go backward and can also go forward. And this is how double linked list work. It can go forward and it can go backward, and so on and so forth until we reach to the point where the next element is just empty, which is null. So what are actions we can do on linked lists? Well, there are famous 4 actions, which are first basic search, you can insert, you can delete, and you can pick. And what's pick? Like if you have a head, you can pick at the head, and if you have tail, you can pick at the tail. And some implementation have both head and tail, and usually it's in double linked list because you can go backward in double linked list. Next, we're going to talk about how can we visualize conceptually, how can we search in a linked list, how can we insert conceptually in a linked list, and so on, and see how can it works in a linked